Hi guys, my name is Juan C. Muñoz. Today is the April the 19, 219 Circ-08 A Attempt. And I have a surprise for you for the A attempt. In the book it says that we click Files, Examples, and then Cerebral, and then done up. So we go over here and we copy all this, but we change this part to pin 2, the 0 to 2, and it's gonna be like this. In pop pin equal to 2, that it's the potentiometer equal to 2, that it's the analog pin 2, it's connected to potentiometer. So I'm gonna tell you all this. So my zero, it's the zero object created to control the zero. So you guys are gonna create a zero object to control the zero. In this case, we use the potentiometer to control the zero. And we have this part as the other part of the command, or the code in this case, that says in pump pin equal to 2, that it's the analog pin 2 connected to a potentiometer, and val means that it's the variable to read the value from the analog pin, that it's the analog 2 pin, and the sensor pin equal to 2, that it's the sensor pin on pin 2, that it's on the middle part of the potentiometer, that it's pin analog pin 2, and the LED pin equals to 13, that it's the LED connected on pin 13. You guys had just this part for the knob. You guys just had this part. I'm gonna show you. It's this part, this little part is what you had it, just a ball for the variable to read and the values from the analog pin. I used, or I make it better by adding more stuff on the breadboard and connect it to the Arduino, and more stuff on the breadboard. So I used a LED pin. We put it on the 13, that I put it on pin 13, and we also have the int 3 holes by 12, that we had it on the Circ-07, the 3 hole we had it for the buttons to turn on the LED pin, the LED to turn it on and turn it off with the 3-hole. And the other part that on this code, better code, you have to make your own code, so I did this one. And my servo attached 9 that attach the servo on pin 9 on the servo object. So we have to put the servo on the pin 9, and it's this part. And I have that was the void setup. Now this is the void loop. So the void loop says the ball analog pot pin reads the value of the potentiometer values between 0 to 123. 1023 over here. I say wrong the number, and ball equals to map ball, 0, 1023, 0, 180. Those are the degrees or the scale, and this is the scale it to use it with the servo between 0 and 180. So the ball equals to map, and the numbers are used in between the values of 0 to 180, and the ball analog read it's between 0 and 1023. So in the delay 15, wait for the 0 to get there. So it's gonna wait 50, this number. So I use another part for the 3 holes that it says if analog read the part, center pin and 3 holes, digital right, left pin is high, it's gonna turn it on, but it's already turned on. It's gonna turn it on, then else right, digital right's left pin low, so it's gonna turn it off. When we turn it, the potentiometer to one side, to the 0 or 180 or 1023, it's gonna turn it on or turn it off, and then the opposite, it's gonna turn it on or on, off and on. And now let's compile it. We can use the arrow in the top, this one. It says verify, but it's for compiling it. Or we can click the shortcut Control R, compiling, then compiling. Now we click Control U on the shortcut on the keys or the arrow, uploading, then uploading. So from all this that I created, that you guys are gonna create a different one. I did all this. I put the LED with the resistor And these are the important wires. So the LED pin, the green wire, this one is connected on pin 13. Let's see if we can see it over here. Yeah, pin 13, it's on pin 13 for the LED, and we have the servo, this one, in the middle part. I say the middle part for the servo. It says over here, my servo attach 9, attach the servo on P9 on the servo object. That was this that I was talking about. This in the middle part connected on P9 over here. That it's right here. Right, that one. And the analog analog 2, it's the one that we use it for the potentiometer to connect it, and this is the reaction that we had that I did for the codes. So when we turn it, it's gonna turn this, but also it's gonna turn this little LED. And when we turn it, well, let's see first the servo, then we're gonna see the LED, then both. Let's turn. When you turn, it's gonna go one side. Then when I turn it the other side, the opposite. So it's gonna go on from 0 degrees, or the value 0 to 10, 22, 3, 23. Then it's gonna go back when you move it. So now we do for the LED. So when we turn the potentiometer, it's gonna turn it on, as we do with the servo. So when we turn the potentiometer, it's gonna turn the servo over here. It's gonna turn this side, but also it's gonna turn it off over here, and all the way it's gonna turn it on. So a specific 180, I think it's 180 that it turn on, then it's gonna go all the way to 1023. It's gonna stay still on, and 180. When you move less, it's gonna turn it off. So that's off, and this is on. There. So this is what it's gonna happen for Circ-08 A Attempt. And that's all, guys. And thanks for watching. My name was Ponce Munoz, and today was the April the 19,219. And thanks for watching, and see you next video. Thanks. Bye.